So, welcome to another video. Today we are going to discuss about the floor value. This is basically a problem on the LeetCode in which we have to find the floor value. Floor value means basically in an array, uh, they provide an element. We have to find a just smaller element or smaller integer than that element. So, let me tell you or let me explain you by an example. So, basically, yeah. So suppose, and I told you in the last video, the main or the requirement to implement a binary search is that the array should be sorted. So we are going to take the sorted array 1, 3, 8, 10, 12. Okay. So we have to find the floor value of the element 3. This is our array, and suppose target is our 3. So basically the floor value is the target is 3, so we have to find a just smaller element than the 3, which is 1. So this is the problem, and we have to find the 1 value, and let's see how we're gonna approach this and how we're gonna solve this. So in the binary search, we're gonna take one pointer as start and one pointer as end. The start starts from 0 and the end points to array dot length -1. So let me first tell you the just approach. So first we're gonna find out the mid. The mid first, the index is 1, 2, 3, 4. So just think. We're gonna find the mid. Mid is 0 plus 4 by 2 is 2. The mid is our 8. Okay, so the target is greater, then the end points to 1 and the start points to 0. This time we again want to find the mid, and the mid is 2 plus 0 by 1 is 1. So the mid is 1. Okay, I think I made a mistake. I think I made a mistake. So it's equal. So it may return the index of this, but we are going to find the floor value. So we have to suppose to return this value 1. So these are the same. So we again shift this to end. So basically, if they are equal, this is our the base condition where the loop terminate, and just see which the between start and end, which is pointing to our the floor value. Obviously, end. Oh, sorry, start. Start is pointing just the smaller element from the 3 or the targeted value. You can check or just take an example by your own, and you want to find that the start is pointing exactly the same element or the answer which is smaller than the targeted value. So after this we're gonna return from this is start. Okay, so basically we don't gonna return the start exactly because it's as you know that the index starts from 0, 1, 2 and 3. So start basically return the 1 plus added value from, so at the end we just subtract the 1. So basically this is the approach. uh, First we're gonna find the mid and just traverse all through the array, and at the end, by chance or according to the question, start will exactly pointing to the value which is just smaller than the targeted value. So at the end we're going to return that start value. So this is the example, and now it's time to code. Let's go to our LeetCode and solve and write this code in Java. So it's time to code the problem in LeetCode and find the solution in Java language. So this video is specific to Java. So let's go to the gigs for kicks, and here is the problem. We have to find the floor value, and the x is the targeted value, and the array is this ARR. So as I mentioned in the video, we have to take the two pointer start is equal to 0 and int n is pointing to the last element, and while start is greater than or equal to n, this loop will gonna work, and after that it's gonna terminate it. So we have to find the mid, that is start plus end. Okay, if start array at mid is greater than x. So suppose if the array at mid is greater than x, so we have to shift our end is equal to mid minus 1, else we're gonna shift our start is equal to mid plus 1, and at the end the start is pointing to exactly the smaller element, but we have to return the index, and the index value is always 1 greater than the exactly the index value. So we're gonna return start minus 1. Okay, so let's gonna try this is working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's submit this. So it's working fine and it's passed the OR criteria. So this is the floor value, and I will see you in the next video.